Success in Sales by Faraman Shore. Dedication, dedicated to my loving mom, dad, and my dear brother Bors. He profits most who sells best. Each and every one of us is in the business of persuading others. The primary purpose of this book is to help you become more dynamic, effective, ethical, and more knowledgeable in persuading and selling to more people. In your sales profession, you are either selling products or services, or both. Regardless of the type of business or occupation that you are in selling profession. Selling is a way of life. You may not need to be told, but the true professional doesn't mind being reminded. Even accomplished business owners can drift ever so slowly into destructive patterns and poor sales habits. We are all in the field of selling. Every person in every profession, teacher, doctor, accountant, manager, lawyer, coach, engineer, clergyman, secretary, chef, babysitter, business owners, etc., is in the sales profession. Regardless of your profession, if you understand and agree with this true concept, the sooner you accept and recognize that you are in the selling profession, competitively speaking, the sooner this book will give you enormous advantages and training. One of the basic facts of life about truisms of sales is that slumps will occur. Even the successful entrepreneurs get in slumps, and I have developed the surefire way to end the slump by returning to fundamentals with the proper attitude. This book is designed to motivate and empower you with knowledge, great marketing, and selling techniques, and skills necessary enough for you to be successful in your business and your profession. This book was written primarily for 3 groups of people. In the first group are the people just getting into the business that understand that a correct start can make the rest of the journey much easier. The second group is made up of people who have repeated their first year in business many times over without any improvements, but they are sick and tired of being mediocre, and they are interested to do something about it now. As the saying goes, when the student is ready, the teacher appears, and you will find what you are looking for, so I welcome and encourage you to continue reading. Because reading this book and using what you are about to learn today will empower you tomorrow, and your career success is guaranteed. The third group this book is also written for is for those pros who understand that school days are over, but education never ends. Pros understand that the better trained and skillful they become, the bigger the paycheck, less work, and better lifestyle await them. Time has changed, and it is the age of technology. In the fast information, web-based market, competitive pricing, customer service-oriented society in which we sell, we must deal with changes, or our prospects will be dealing with our competitors. Simplicity is power, and I have tried my best to write and explain everything in a simple manner as I understand and right to the point. I wish you the best in the advancement of your business and career. The first time you read Success in Sales, I encourage you to move through the book quickly, with your pen or pencil in hand, underlining or highlighting the things that really grab you. Don't analyze, but simply read as quickly as you can so you will get the complete message and the overall view of the book. For your second reading, you are going to need the notepad, which is approximately the same size as the book, and it will be easy for you to keep at hand to take notes. The second reading of this book will be lengthy and involved. Your objective is not to see how quickly you can get out of the book, but what you can get out of the book. The third reading will give you an even broader perspective of the book, and you will add more pages and ideas to your own companion notepad. Another advantage of reading the book several times is that this procedure, without your even being aware of it, will become an integral part of you. Your effectiveness will be greatly enhanced. Even after the fourth reading, you will want to keep this book handy as a reference. Many of the questions, procedures, techniques, and closes will need to be read repeatedly so you can commit them to memory and make them an integral part of your life. This book contains proven methods and techniques which have worked for others and will work for you if you get involved in the learning and doing process. That's a big if, but it will play the key role in whether you sell or miss the sell on future meetings with your customers. It takes work to become a professional salesperson or to substantially improve your closing percentage while building customers instead of just making sales. Let me assure you that one trip through these pages will definitely have considerable value. You will pick up thoughts, ideas, and feelings, which will reinforce many things you already feel and believe but have not articulated. You will learn power phrases and specific words that will make what you are already using even more effective. You will be motivated to do more and use more of what you already have, and your sales will probably improve before you finish the first reading. You will pick up new psychological insights that will help you understand why prospects respond or react as they do to certain techniques and procedures. This is especially important because if you know how to do something and then do it, you will always have a job. But if you know why it is done, you will be the boss or, in this case, the sales leader. Although sharing is caring, I would like highly to discourage you from lending your book to anyone else. Remember, you made the decision to further your career by committing to purchasing this book. By personalizing this book, learning and utilizing skills and techniques you learn from this book, you will advance in your career. Give the same opportunity to others by letting them purchase their own book to study and grow. Happy reading!